Good morning. I am Prasanna. Today my lecture topic is Hydropower Plant. In this topic, contents are introduction, working principle, advantages, disadvantages, applications. First of all, discuss about introduction. The hydropower plant is also called as hydroelectric power. It will generate the electricity from water. It will convert the kinetic energy into electrical energy. Through the waterfall, we can generate the electricity. This is the short picture of hydroelectric power system. In this picture, the water will store in dam. When the head gate is open, the water flow to the turbine and the turbine will be rotated and the generator will generate the electricity. Working principle of hydropower plant. The water will store in dam. One path is there. In this path, the turbine is connected. Through this water, the turbine will rotate and turbine is connected to the generator. The generator will generate the electricity. This is the short video of hydropower plant.
Hydropower. Hydropower, or hydroelectricity, refers to the conversion of energy from flowing water into electricity. It is considered a renewable energy source because the water cycle is constantly renewed by the sun. One of the first uses of hydroenergy was for mechanical milling, such as grinding grains. But today, modern hydro plants produce electricity using turbines and generators. The mechanical energy created by moving water spins rotors on a turbine. This turbine is connected to an electromagnetic generator, which produces electricity when the turbine spins. There are two main types of hydroelectricity production: dams and run-of-river. Hydro dams utilize the potential energy from dammed water to produce electricity. A dam is a large barrier constructed to raise the level of water and control its flow. The elevation created by the dam creates gravitational force for turning the turbine when water is released. Some dams also contain an additional reservoir at their base where water is stored to be pumped to the higher reservoir for release when electricity is in demand. This is
And the advantage of hydropower plant. It is good for environment, it is renewable, it is safe and high efficient. Disadvantages. High cost. Without water, it cannot produce electricity. It affected for oxygen level in water. Impact on fish. Applications of hydropower plant. Generating of electric power to control the floods in rivers, storage of drinking water supply. Thank you.